Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So here comes new video about the juicer. So let's get started with the video. Here comes the Blue Sky Big Fruit Juicer where you can make the juice from the fruits easily. This is a manual process and here you can see how to fix assemble. So you can fix it easily just by reading it. This has the ABS plastic membrane or plastic body where you can see how hard it is. The price is 849 on the box, but I have received it at 499 in the offer on from Amazon. And you can also check the links in the description so that you can buy it directly. These are the parts which you receive in this box. Sorry for the things I have dropped from the box. This is the transparent glass which I like it more. And sorry guys, they have fell down while removing it. And here inside you get the manual and the instruction manual, so where it shows how to remove the juice from the fruits and what are the fruits you can make the juice on this. In with the pictures they have updated here, like grapes, pomegranates and more. And let's fix this or assemble it. And you can see here this has the airtight uh, technique where you have to lock it on the floor and it won't move even if you try to pick it up or shake it. This is the best technology which I like it on this. So you need to put this handle and other parts inside it so that you can take the juice. So first we have to put this because this is the main thing that grinds the juice from the fruits. And this is of transparent body where you can see what is happening inside the juice. I like it because of the transparent design or makeover. And put this and then you need to tight it because the juice doesn't come outside or the pulp doesn't come outside easily. And you need to put the glass down, and this is where you can store the things like juices after you make the juice and put it in fridge, as this has ABS plastic body, so no harm. And let's fix the handle. So you need to place your finger like this and fix the handle because of the screw technology you have to hold on like this. And sorry guys, this screw was broken because of over tightening, so make sure you tight at a minimum range so that it doesn't get damaged. And let's tighten this one so that we can start making the juice. So let's start the juice. Right now I'm putting the pineapple piece. So around 3 pieces I put in the juicer and I got around 30% of the glass juice in it. So this is good if you want to have a manual juicer, but it depends upon you whether you want to buy an electrical one or manual one. And I like it because the manual is preferred more, but the maintenance is more in it. And here you can see the juicer gives the pulp outside, and you can use this pulp for the gardening purpose. And that's it guys, here's the glass which I have received juice. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video.